1 cup of smiles, a teaspoon of hugs,
2 cups of helpfulness,
oh, spilled it.
3 tablespoons of high fives,
Mix it all together, play and share with your friends.
kindness recipe to make you smile, 3 tablespoons of hugs,
1.5 cups of smiles,
2 teaspoons of high fives, mix it up with a spoon, put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven and enjoy. Yum!
Add a teaspoon of hugs.
add 3 high fives, add half a cup of shaving sugar,
Mix it together with a smile.
add 1 handshake, put in half a cup of tablespoon of hellos.
Hello. Mold it to a heavy tart.
Bake it in a good mood.
One cup of excitement. 2 cups of sharing. Stir well. Add 3 large tablespoons of smiles. $50 grams of laughter and a pinch of cheerfulness. Add gentleness while stirring. Preheat the oven to 50 Celsius. Add mix to the oven. Take it out and eat.
Cup of hugs,
3 teaspoons of smiles, 3 grams of high fives, percent of kindness. Sorry. 8 sprinkle of gentleness.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Flatten, careful, blended, stir, bake.
Put it in the oven for 15 minutes.
Now we need to take it out of the oven. Now we need to eat it. Yum!